Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Cabin Hill, local and long-distance movers near me. It's hard to leave all your beloved memories and move away to another place, or we may say even another country. You cannot pack each piece of your furniture by yourself and move it to a different state or city. Hiring professionals for moving and packing is a great choice. They will also ensure that your items are carefully packed and properly unpacked at your new location. The 3 Movers in Cabin Hill have been in the van line industry for 20 years. They have a team of licensed professionals who very well know the roads of Cabin Hill. You don't have to worry about your goods getting damaged or misplaced when you are given the job to 3 Movers. Moving across the street or just to another neighboring house, one cannot deal with packing and moving all by themselves. You need someone to help you out with all your furniture and appliances. Connecting a nearby mover and packer company is the only option you can go for. Our team of professionals at 3 Movers will get you everything the help that you need and require and make your moving experience stress-free. So you can just sit back and relax while our team handles everything. Then after we're done packing and unpacking all your stuff, you can enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cabin Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.